tires.
Ooh.
Thing's cruising.
Zoom in here. A little bit of hail on your vehicle here, Kev. Yeah, pull up. There, yeah, we can stay with this.
Yep. Yeah, drag. Quick slots all
Yep,
here.
quick slots
RFD,
all
so
back
we're
in
good.
there.
We're all good.
Just
Sails
on
are
the,
the sail ain't that big.
yeah, this is not bad. Your windshield needed this, you said anyway, right?
Yeah.
Wow, Kevin!
A couple of them.
Look at this thing! Oh! Couple big ones in there!
Oh, that was a big one. Yeah, there's golf balls in here now. Getting ready to rope out. Where's the handoff gonna be? Oh, it's still going. How far east does this road go? Keep going?
I think it keeps going, yeah.
No, this one's yours.
Let me make sure.
Okay.